Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purun. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
So we called for a meeting of the concerned departments. There was Fisheries Department, Pollution Control Board and WRD. So what the departments are saying is, again, because of the sewage that is flowing into the lake, that is why all the fish have died. So now they're just, Pollution Control Board has taken samples. So they are going to check and see what comes from the reports. See, anyway, on the 15th, this is part of a wider problem that's happening in Panjim right now also. Panjim, not even in Panjim, I would say Panjim. If you look at the Santanis creek, there is a lot of sewage that's flowing into the thing. There are a lot of colonies that are releasing their sewage. There are a lot of people that are dumping debris into the sewage. So it's turning into a health disaster, I would say. In the next 2-3 years it will happen. So what we've done is on the 15th of basically day after tomorrow, we've called for a meeting of all the departments. So now whether it is say Pollution Control Board, PWD Water Supply, Sewerage Department, even the people who are Fisheries Department, River Navigation, everybody. So now anybody that has anything, even the Director of Municipality, we will be a party and Panchayat Secretary also will be coming. So now what is happening is now Smart City had done a aeration project. It didn't work. It didn't work because basically they were looking at only one small isolated part. So they were not, they didn't look at an overall comprehensive plan. So what we're hoping now is with the help of say WRD also and all of the other departments, we are looking at more of a comprehensive plan for the entire waterway, right? So starting all the way from Nagali till the outflow here next to old GMC.